All right. Your activities today, Father?
Working.
Happy Father's Day. I know. He's working.
Watching a little golf in between.
Good.
I have a small suspicion that not a lot of people are going to be going to the beaches this couple of
Yeah,
days.
we don't have to worry about the water.
Clean them out a little bit.
Wash out. That's true.
Yeah, turn
That's
up
true.
the water, clear
Have
things
a,
up.
have a good Father's Day.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And everyone out there have a great Father's Day. And, weather's not working out amazingly well. It's not quite as wet as it was yesterday, but we're still going to have a little bit of light rain and drizzle out there, especially during the early to middle part of the afternoon. That temperature right now, 60 degrees in the city, a northeast wind coming in 6 miles per hour. The easterly component of the wind coming in off of the cool waters of the Atlantic Ocean will shroud us in cloud cover today, tomorrow, even into a portion of Tuesday as well, as long as we have that component of wind coming in off of the ocean. Next 12 hours looking like this. These temperatures really don't go anywhere, kind of like yesterday. Stay in the lower 60s, maybe getting up to the middle 60s if we're lucky. Rainfall chances, no, they're not huge, but they get up to the likely category by noontime and by 4 p.m. So we're looking at, keep the umbrella handy during the day today, especially from the city and points south and west where we see the majority of the measurable rainfall. We're getting a little bit of light rain right now across parts of Queens into southern parts of Nassau County, some rainfall re-entering northwestern parts of New Jersey. And this will be the theme during the day today from the city and points south and west through midday. And then as we head into the afternoon hours, there's a better chance at maybe the city getting in on some of the action, while areas well off to the north, you probably stay dry. Maybe there's a little bit of brightening up toward a place like Poughkeepsie. I wouldn't completely count on it, though, as we head into the afternoon. Overnight tonight into the day tomorrow. Again, a lot of clouds out there. The onshore flow continuing tomorrow. Maybe we nudge into the upper 60s for a high temperature. There still could be some spotty drizzle, probably no measurable rainfall during the day on Monday. Tuesday, by around midday, could be a couple of breaks in the overcast, and that can get our numbers finally back up into the middle 70s. But there's another batch of showers moving in. What's new? This happens by later Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday evening, followed by maybe some thunderstorms overnight Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning. Behind this batch of storms, we'll get a wind coming in from the southwest. And that'll warm us up significantly Wednesday, but especially into Thursday, when we could be approaching 90 across a good chunk of the area. Like I said, not a beach day today. Northeast wind 10 to 20, waves about 2 to 4 feet. Water temperatures actually matching the air temperature today in the 60s and a low to moderate risk of rip currents. So you're acting with the forecast for today, cloudy and cool, definitely for mid-June standards. The average high this time of year is around 80. To put it into perspective, we're only going 65 if we're lucky. Occasional rain and drizzle around. Cloudy with spotty drizzle tonight into the day tomorrow. Tomorrow we nudge up to the upper 60s and getting into the middle 70s probably by Tuesday, midday into the early afternoon. Maybe a couple of breaks of sun and then maybe a shower late in the day. Maybe a straight morning thunder shower on Wednesday and then some sun in the afternoon getting up closer to the 80-degree mark. And then look at Thursday. We really break out into some warmth on Juneteenth there. Quite warm. Watch for an afternoon thunderstorm. Could be on the strong side with a lot of humidity around. A cold front moving into that air mass. And then not as hot on the first day of summer officially on Friday. Maybe a spot thunderstorm left over. And then partly sunny, 84. Very summery start, appropriately enough, as we head into next weekend. Eyewitness News returns after the break.